Problem solved. Problem solved. Problem solved. Show me to the flamingos.
Don't scare them.
Okay.
See all the people over there?
They're
Feeding of the flamingo, we disinfect the hands so we don't want to have like
this one too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
I have to go here? Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you.
There we go.
Yeah. Branded pictures. Branded pictures $15. If you want two, it's $36.
Give him a couple of fish.
Oh, he's coming up. Oh my God, look at him.
Yeah, they got to take in some air before they go down. They could just go down for a really long time. Wow, look at the top. I've never seen that in my life. They're coming up.
Come on.
Oh! I don't want no more full sprays.
You guys can go outside.
We have nearly reached the end.